Stay fucking little bow wow, bitch. Never forget a little bang my bitch. FT and the bitch still. Losing little baby, let me get you in. Little bow wow, bitch. Never forget a little bow wow, bitch. We got me in the like my bitch. Let me get this time, yeah, y'all come over, see what it look like. Baby, you're a chef for that dog and it can right. Baby, you're a smoker, she really high hit right. But they hit mine cause they pull harder. Yeah, come over, see what it look like. Baby, you're a chef for a dog and it can right. Baby, you're a smoker, she like the way it look like. Baby, you're a cause they pull harder. Baby, you're what up, my heart when it look right. Baby, look at it right side, sticky when it's back. Sticky when you take up the rapper, exactly. Follow me on G.O.B. basement cracking. Baby, what's happening? Smashing it in for a city where you feel take your body. Everybody got you to hell and action. I need to spin on the party. Put it in a party, put it in your head, cause that shit where it goes. And it's good, she made me eat. Baby, like a honey bun, baby, get that booty. Pick it up, you know it is right. Baby, on the left hand, on the pool strike. Pull the fucking paint down, get it all that. Big hit, I get that booty on for that life for a little fight. Her fight is good, and she's still good. In my dirty on your bitch, we're not dirty with. Put my hand down, nigga, cut my face up. Cut my face up and give me some head. Give me some head, give me some head. Hey, bitch. Little bow wow, bitch. You can try it like I go ahead. Doggy style, man. Doggy style, little freak. Little freaky, little high school. Freaky, little college. Bad bitch, come through. She a girl, bitch. She a girl. I'm a girl. Yeah, I'm bucked up. That's my little nigga. That's my little nigga. That's my little nigga. I hold you. That's my little bro. Bro, hold you. Put that in your mouth, bitch. Yeah, I'll show you ate me out, bitch. Yeah, fuck your little freak. Fuck your little cool. Baby, screw up the hockey on that ass, bitch, too. Baby said I never get a dick from my nigga that she used to fuck with. She on some hood shit, bitch. Then you come back for my nigga. She like the way I fuck.